Hey guys, this is Maria from ThreeWaySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to get an alt face filter on TikTok. TikTok allows its users to apply a filter that shows how they might look like when they are old. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use this filter. Log into your TikTok account and hit the Discover tab. After that, type in 2078 into the search bar at the top of the screen. Find the 2078 filter in the Effects section and click on it. As you can see, TikTok shows you two same 2078 filters, so select one of them. Now you can add this filter to your favorite section by pressing on the corresponding icon, or you can hit the camera button at the bottom of the screen and record a video using the alt face filter. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to get an alt face filter on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at ThreeWaySocial.com.